Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will learn ways to take care of one's body. Are you ready? Number 1. Take a bath daily. Number 2. Wear clean clothes. Number 3. Eat healthy foods. Number 4. Brush your teeth after every meal. Number 5. Exercise regularly. Number 6. Wash your hands thoroughly. Number 7. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Number 8. Trim your nails regularly. Number 9. Clean your ears with the help of an older sibling. Number 10. Have enough sleep and rest. I have here another set of pictures. A boy brushing his teeth. A boy eating junk foods. A boy sleeping early. Boy and a girl playing in the dirt. A girl eating too much candy. A girl and a boy eating healthy foods. A boy staying up late. And a boy taking a bath. This time, you will check all the pictures showing ways to take care of one's body. Good job, kids! Do you want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!